In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to start shaping your site so it reflects your brand and helps clients book with confidence. First, make sure you're on the Jobber Home dashboard. This is the main landing page where you can see an overview of your work. Take a moment to orient yourself. The navigation is usually on the left side, and this is where you'll find the tools you need. If your account has multiple users, confirm you have permission to access website settings. It helps to have your logo, brand colors, and a few strong photos ready so customizing goes smoothly. Next, click on Website. You'll find it in the sidebar navigation. This takes you straight into Jobber's website area. Think of this as your control center for all site-related updates. If you don't immediately see Website, it may be collapsed in the menu. Expanding the sidebar often reveals it. From here, you can customize your website. You'll see options to edit key sections like your headline, services, and contact details. This is the perfect place to clarify what you do, where you work, and how clients can request a quote or book a job. Keep your messaging simple and specific. List your services in plain language, highlight what sets you apart, and include a clear call to action. If there's a place to add or edit images, choose clean, well-lit photos that represent your work accurately. Consistent branding goes a long way. Match your logo, colors, and tone so your site feels professional and trustworthy. You'll also be able to adjust the visual style of the site. Subtle changes to colors, fonts, and layout can make content easier to read and help important buttons stand out. If a preview is available, use it as you make edits, and check both desktop and mobile views to ensure everything looks right on smaller screens. When you add text, aim for short paragraphs and headings that guide visitors quickly to what they need. For accessibility, use clear contrast and descriptive image text where supported. As you refine your content, consider what a new visitor needs within the first few seconds: who you are, the services you offer, your service area, reviews or proof of quality, and a straightforward way to get in touch. Keep an eye on spacing, avoid clutter, and proofread before wrapping up. From this same page, your updates can be saved and previewed so you can review changes with your team before sharing your site more widely. That's it. Start from the home dashboard, open the website section, and customize confidently.